Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Flsun Q5 is probably one of the most anticipated resin 3D printers to hit the market, boasting an impressive array of features that promise to elevate your printing experience to new heights, whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or just beginning your journey into the world of 3D printing. Number 5. Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. Introducing the Creality Ender 3, a fully open-source 3D printer designed for makers of all levels. Its generous build volume allows for impressive creations. Worried about power outages? This printer features a resume printing function. It can pick up right where it left off, even after an unexpected interruption. As a foundational 3D printer model, it's ideal for students and beginners looking to develop their hands-on skills. Assembly takes approximately 2 hours. Experience enhanced printing with its advanced extruder technology. The V-shape wheels ensure quiet, smooth, and durable operation, minimizing plugging risks. The safety-protected power supply heats the bed to 100 degrees in just 5 minutes. It prints via SD card or computer connection. Each unit undergoes strict testing before delivery, ensuring reliable performance. Please verify the power supply voltage is set to 115V for optimal operation. What we like. This printer offers a resume printing function, perfect for preventing print failures due to power outages. Its beginner-friendly assembly and quiet operation make it ideal for those new to 3D printing. If you are looking for an affordable entry into 3D printing and want to learn the basics with minimal hassle, this is a great choice. What people say. The 3D printer has been a godsend. If you're also newbie and searching for advice, here's my brief take on the Ender 3. It's awesome. My wife and I have found that 3D printing comes with somewhat of a steep learning curve, but it's fun. YouTube and websites such as all3dp.com have proven themselves to be lifesavers. When my wife and I printed a test file provided by Creality, the manufacturer, we frankly sat mesmerized at the unit's precision. It was like staring into a campfire and getting lost in the flames. The nozzle just zipped back and forth across the print bed, leaving tiny bits of corn-based plastic one layer at a time, and eventually, over time, created a cat-dog thingy. Number 4. Longer LK5 Pro 3D Printer. Introducing the Longer LK5 Pro, a versatile 3D printer designed for families and schools. Its open-source nature and large build volume make it perfect for bringing your ideas to life. Create bigger and better with an impressive 11.8x 11.8x 15.7-inch build volume. This allows for larger projects and more ambitious designs, all printed at a swift 180mm. Experience enhanced stability with its reinforced triangular structure, minimizing vibrations for smoother prints. The lattice glass plate ensures easy model removal and a flat hotbed for superior quality. Enjoy a peaceful printing experience thanks to the ultra-silent TMC2209 drivers. With its open-source motherboard, you have the freedom to experiment and customize your creations. Don't worry about filament running out or power outages. This printer intelligently pauses and resumes your print from where it left off, saving time and materials. Get started quickly with 90% pre-assembly, making it ideal for beginners. Plus, enjoy lifetime technical support and dedicated customer service for a worry-free experience. What we like. Experience expansive creativity with its large build volume and impressive 180mm printing speed. The stable triangular structure ensures precision for your larger projects. If you need to print bigger objects or want to speed up your workflow without sacrificing quality, this printer is a solid contender. What people say. The Flsun Q5 3D printer is a great choice for beginners due to its user-friendly interface and straightforward assembly process. Its compact design makes it ideal for small spaces, and the auto-leveling feature significantly reduces setup time and ensures consistent print quality. The printer boasts a fast print speed without compromising on the quality of the finished product, making it efficient for various projects. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M Pro 3D Printer. Introducing the FLSHFORGE Adventure 5M Pro, a high-performance 3D printer designed to bring your creative visions to life with unparalleled speed and efficiency. Get ready to print faster and smarter. Experience incredible speed with a maximum travel speed of 600mm. It heats up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, so you can start printing your designs almost instantly without any waiting. Achieve impeccable print quality even at high speeds. Its stable core XY structure and all-metal frame ensure precision, while multiple nozzle options allow you to balance speed with intricate detail. Enjoy a truly smart and convenient printing experience. With automatic bed leveling and toolless model removal, you can go from unboxing to your first print in just 10 minutes. Stay connected and in control with the integrated mobile app. Monitor your prints remotely, track progress in real time, and receive alerts, all from your smartphone for a seamless workflow. This printer is designed to handle a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, and more. Its high-temperature nozzle ensures precise and reliable results for all your diverse projects. What we like. Unleash your creativity with blazing fast 600mm printing speeds and a quick detachable nozzle for easy maintenance. Its one-click auto printing system simplifies the entire process. If speed and convenience are your top priorities, and you want to bring your designs to life in record time with minimal fuss, this printer is designed for you. What people say. The printer heats quickly and runs smooth. The auto level is excellent. It is so user-friendly that a child can figure it out. It arrived the day after I ordered it. Nice heavy-duty box and excellent packing, so it arrived in pristine condition. It is an impressive-looking piece of equipment and seems to be well built. The HEPA filtration system on the Pro does a great job of keeping the fumes down. Number 2. Longer LK5 Pro 3D Printer. Introducing the Longer LK5 Pro, a large-format 3D printer designed for both beginners and enthusiasts. Experience the freedom to create bigger and better with its expansive build volume. Our upgraded dual blower kit ensures rapid filament cooling. This prevents deformation and wire drawing, resulting in smoother, more accurate prints every time. With 90% pre-assembly and a robust triangular structure, this printer offers exceptional stability. Enjoy consistent, high-quality prints thanks to reduced vibrations. Experience a quieter printing environment with the TMC2208 ultra-silent driver. Its open-source motherboard allows for customization and experimentation with your designs. Navigate your printing experience with ease using the vibrant 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen. Its optimized interface provides real-time printing information at a glance. This printer includes a lattice glass plate for easy model removal and a flatter hotbed. Plus, resume printing after power loss and filament detection ensure your projects are always protected. What we like. This printer boasts a massive build volume and an upgraded dual blower kit for superior cooling, ensuring better print quality. The large 4.3-inch color touchscreen offers an intuitive user experience. If you're looking for a printer that can handle large-scale projects with excellent detail and features a user-friendly interface, this is an excellent option. What people say. The LK5 Pro's print quality is impressive, with the ability to consistently make parts with tolerances down to 1/10 of the millimeter. The 300mm x 300mm x 400mm build volume is worth the extra money. The setup was straightforward, taking about half an hour to have it fully set up and powered on, as they advertise it being about 90% already set up. All the tools needed are provided with the unit to complete the full setup. Number 1. Anycubic Kobra 3v2 3D Printer. Meet the Anycubic Kobra 3v2, a revolutionary 3D printer designed for speed and precision. It offers an impressive build volume of 255 by 255, 260mm, perfect for bringing your creations to life. Experience blazing fast printing speeds of up to 600mm, which is 12 times faster than standard FDM printers. This means you can complete projects in a fraction of the time, saving you valuable hours. Keep an eye on your creations from anywhere with the built-in 720p camera. Stream your prints in real time, check progress, and even create stunning time-lapse videos of your projects. Expand your creative possibilities with multicolor printing. While this printer supports it, you'll need the Anycubic ACE Pro add-on for 4-color or even 8-color printing capabilities. Dive into Maker Online, Anycubic's exclusive platform featuring over 3,000 premium 3D models. With integrated slicing and AI tools, customization and creation are simpler than ever. Each unit undergoes strict testing for optimal performance. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year service, lifetime technical support, and 24/7 customer service for any assistance you may need. What we like. Achieve incredible speeds of up to 600mm and monitor your prints remotely with the built-in 720p camera. It also supports multicolor printing with an optional add-on. If you demand high-speed performance, appreciate remote monitoring capabilities, and are interested in exploring multicolor printing, this printer offers advanced features for enthusiasts. What people say. The print speed is faster than anyone I have used. It's got great self-leveling. The design is amazing. This printer is by far the easiest to set up and prints excellently right out of the box. The slicer has great feature and it is fast. Quality prints and speed are great. The auto level is a big game changer as I come from older Ender series where we use paper checks the nozzle distance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.